Stuart missed that?
You yelled that. What did I say? You guys stick your cock in his mouth.
No, I'm not going to bet that it's disgusting. But besides the fact that Stuart missed my name, there's no way go. Stuart,
Do this again. This should be interesting MySpace footage.
You missed my naked snow angel. Butt naked, completely no socks, which is amazing. Snow angel.
I missed it.
You missed it completely. And I get $16 more.
Swelling. Hey, 14. Swelling, spread eagle, everything. Like,
He got snow in his ass crack, alright?
yeah, the detail was amazing. I'll never.
My anus is frozen. Because there's snow in it. That's how much you missed it.
Remember that in your waterfall part, right? We don't even know what he said. He just babbled.
Waterfall.
I heard waterfall part. That's all I I'm rolling and crying and everything's just my mouth hurts from laughing so much.
He's totally crying. He's totally crying.
Waterfall part.
The most genius words ever.
Waterfall part.
From Dr. Stewart's car.
I'm gonna punch him in the chest.
Oh! It is hard.
Waterfall part.
Retaliation?
Okay. Now it's gotta end now. It's the best.
Fuck that.
Come here, big guy. Come here.
Oh my god, he's
Okay.
No, we don't know.
It's gonna be funner when you fall on your face and break your nose.
Cheers to me, brother.
Cheers, baby.
Hey, that's my beard!
I deserve it.
The best, though. And I bet.
Scotty's a champ.
Seriously. Best bet ever.
Was it worth the money?
Oh, completely. And I plan on paying him the $14.
Touche.
Hey!
Okay, fine.
This is MySpace right here, buddy.
The most intellectual words ever spoken by Dr. Stuart Carr. Waterfall fart.
Waterfall fart.
Most definitely.
You know the best part about it is he passed right back in.
Hey, go get Robin. You need to go get Robin.